Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best strategy to build trust with customers using Cash App. All right, now the best strategy to build trust with customers using Cash App is consistency and transparency. Use a professional cash tag that matches your business name across all platforms so that customers can easily verify that they are paying the right account. Communicate clearly about pricing, payment timing, refunds, and deliveries before requesting payment. Also, always provide receipts confirmations or proof of service after payment is received. Respond promptly to customer questions and confirm payments only through the Cash App interface and not screenshots. You want to avoid sudden changes in payment details as this creates doubt and hesitation. Maintaining a reliable payment experience reassures customers. It also reduces disputes and of course encourages repeat business. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.